They will play Subway Surfers and yeah, let's go. Yeah. So today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. So let's see how much I can get. Let's go. Oh, and my cousin's here too. It's locked. That's locked. Okay, so let's go. So we're gonna play Subway Surfers. Let's see how much we can go to. If you can see, my high score is 422,000. Let's go. Baba. Baba boy.
So guys, today we're trying.
My cousin's talking.
So if he can beat my high score is 9,500. He's the best at Subway Surf.
9,500?
Yeah.
That's your high score?
Yeah, and I got one more.
Only? What?
And then today I played it and I got 5 million.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I thought your tablet wasn't working.
Not my tablet. I played it on my grandma's phone, boy.
Grandma's phone.
Yeah.
And plus that'll take about an hour.
Yeah.
Or no, about 2 hours. So
I wake up at 1 o'clock and download it and started.
But whatever. Well, I'm super good at Subway Surfer. So you say your high score was 9,000 something, right?
Yeah.
I already beat it. That's not my high score. Bro, he's making me try to lose. Stop.
Today I'm gonna try this on the summertime.
No. Still going. Guys, he's so weird. Okay, guys, we're at 20,000 right now. My game's lagging for some reason. I'm trash at Subway Surfers. Just kidding.
Guys, look what I made from Mario.
No, you didn't make that. Damari made that.
Stop telling lies.
And Damari, they can't even see you. I'm on the game. Guys, my high score. And guys, by the way, my high score is 400,000.
For 500,000.
I said 400,000 and something. That's not my high score. That's how much I'm doing right now. That's not my high score. He doesn't know that much about Subway Surfers. That's why he's asking dumb questions.
Well, I do play Subway Surfers, but you don't know.
So how do you not know that this is not your high score?
Because when I used to play Subway Surfer before you were born.
Bro, you're only 2 years older than me.
I'm gonna be 3.
Jesus. Okay, so this.
When is your birthday?
You really don't know my birthday.
Nope.
It's fine. Whatever.
When?
Not gonna tell.
When?
Shut up.
When?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Could I buy you this because it's useful or not?
No, I'm just too good. And guys, after I die, then the video's gonna end.
After he dies, the video is gonna end for him, but not me.
Okay, so guys.
So guys, we're gonna be playing Free Fire now.
No.
After I open this.
No, we're not gonna be playing Free Fire. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers still, but my cousin's trying to take over my YouTube channel. And guys,
look at Minecraft education.
Wait.
Guys, we're gonna see if our thing download first, and look. See if it's download.
No, it didn't download. Okay.
Let's just play play Roblox then, guys.
Roblox. Okay, guys. We're gonna be playing Subway Surfers, and the next video we're gonna be playing
Roblox, and I'm gonna be playing it. And I decide the game. If I can't make a good decision, then don't like my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
So we can't remember it.
Whatever.
Marnie.
And guys, comment down below what my channel name should be.
It should be
Top comment and decides.
It should be Marnie's an idiot.
My cousin's being really dumb right now. Okay, let's go again.
What's that?
No, I'm not even gonna try. I'm just not gonna go as fast. Guys, I'm not even trying right now.
You said you have 1 out of 10 holiday leave.
What?
You have 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
Guys?
You know what? Now I'm gonna start trying.
And I can get 11 of them without trying.
Then come show me it. Go get your grandma's phone.
I can get it, bro.
Then go get it.
I can't get it. I told you, bro. It's fortune.
So can I go to your house and go see?
I deleted it.
Of course you did. Of course.
Because I don't like Subway Surfers.
Of course.
So my... Guys, after this, he deleted the bus game, and I told him to delete Roblox, but he didn't listen.
Bro, Roblox, you want to delete Roblox?
I'm just joking, guys. I wanted to play the bus game, but he said,
bro, why
no.
you trying to tell them all my personal... Bro, just be quiet, please. Now you're making this show about one of these background screens where somebody's playing a game, and then we talk about multiple stuff.
Yeah, this is what the video is not about. So guys, don't like and subscribe.
My cousin's really dumb.
Yeah, they bought the one with a restaurant. It's a region time.
High score.
What's my high score?
No,
not my high score is 400,000 and something. Guys, I'm gonna do a live stream tomorrow, so come. So
he's gonna do a live stream down of my yard, so make sure you came.
No,
yes,
do a live stream down in your yard.
Yeah, they will give you the Wi-Fi.
Bro, I really have to do. Why your yard? I mean your house. In case none of you know how to speak Patois. Why your house?
Cause I wanted to make you come to my house. Cause I always wanted to get that stuff. Cause maybe I can join you on Roblox and both of us can beat it.
Beat Roblox?
Yeah.
You can't beat Roblox.
Yes, you can.
By doing what?
Join a Roblox server. They have Roblox in Roblox. Join it, and then you can.
You can't beat the whole entire Roblox.
I did it in 1 hour.
No, cause there's more than 60. Cause there's more. Because you can't beat them in every 1 second, because that'll take 60 minutes, and 60 minutes, not enough time for even 1 second to finish every single game. Okay guys, so after we reach 100,000, we're gonna pause this game and we're gonna finish tomorrow. Yeah. Just kidding.
Bro, you can't speak like that on YouTube, bro.
Huh?
They will sue you If you speak like that on YouTube,
No, they wouldn't.
sue him. I'll pay $100 US. Sue him.
Bro, come here.
Yeah.
Not everybody is Jamaican, you know. Okay, guys, so I think we reached 100,000, so let's go. So we're gonna end the video right now, cause blah 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 and wagwan. I mean, bye everybody. Blah, stop. Okay. Okay, let's end it for. Let's end it. End the video in 3, 2, 1.